What's up, guys? Welcome to Vlogmas day number 3.
Try that again.
Hey, guys.
Nope.
What's up, guys?
No.
Hey, what's happening, guys?
Welcome to Vlogmas day 3.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
This is gonna be short and sweet, but it's gonna be beautiful things that you would like to see. I be rhyming and stuff. It's a little chilly out here, as you can see. She got me out in the cold, and I ain't got no jacket. So we're gonna hurry up and head to the store.
Thank you. Hello. What we got going on? Why do we have gloves, Darnell?
I'm trying to make sure if I touch someone, I won't catch COVID-22.
No, we just checking you guys out now that we back in the city where you are located. These are good gift ideas. Look at this table setting. You like this?
No,
You don't like it?
no, no.
Look at the deer.
This is a napkin.
Napkin ring.
What's this for?
Look at the deer. You like the silverware though, huh? You said you wanted matte gold. It's cute. They resell $100. Yeah. But look how good it looks. Oh, I'm really loving these jars. Look at the nutcracker. Faux snow. How much is the faux snow here? $5.95. And the cranberries are $14.95. Look at the candles. Ooh, that's cute. One of those. How much is that? It's over here. $34.90. Cute. You like this? You're not a fan? Right. I said kid. Cute and simple.
This is the design studio.
You like this chair? It's gonna be scratched up, but it's so cute.
It's gonna look better when it's scratched up.
Worn in.
Yeah.
How much it cost? $1,000. I like that pillow. Ooh.
One of them old chairs my mom used to have back in the day.
Yeah.
Just like it.
Hey you guys, so we're in Crate & Barrel. We never lived by one in Texas, so it's so good to come out here and hang out. I like this. I like this table. Ooh, I think this is the wine glass I want. I'm gonna have to get me one. Look at how cute that looks. Oh, you like this table? Yeah, I like it. I can see myself having this. $14.99. I like it. This gonna be on my radar for my new dining table. I definitely will put a piece of glass over the table. Walton. I like the storage. I don't like the texture of it. It's shirling.
Like the Huggies bear off the commercial.
I mean, it's different. I don't want one in my house though.
I like these wicker though.
Oh, I like that. That's cute.
What, the headboard?
No, look how they had these two mirrors stacked. Oh, I like this idea. No, I don't like this bed. The wicker chair is okay.
I like wicker stuff.
I see. Look, it's oval. You like this one?
Marble one.
Yeah, that's nice. I'd rather have a gold base though, a brass base. $1,500. I'm talking about this setup. Isn't this so cute?
Open it up.
It's only $300.
For one mirror.
So what? It's so cute.
Just open up.
That's cute. Yeah, for liquor. That's exactly what I would store in here. I could see myself having this house.
I got a punch bowl.
I don't like this color.
For them wild and exotic nights.
Oh. This is... I love it.
Well, look at this coat rack, babe.
Hold on. This is nice.
There's something talking about client consultation. I have you booked for 10:30 on Sunday.
That's nice.
Wild and exotic.
You can put stuff right here. You see yourself using something like this?
Yeah.
I don't like no low headboard. But it's cute though. I wouldn't want it in my own bed.
It's like a shower bench.
It's not a shower bench, but yeah.
Wet, naked butt on here.
Okay.
Water drip.
You can put your clothes behind on here too, Darnell.
Drip down.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay.
That's cute though. I like it.
Look at the shelf. That's a nice shelf.
It's only $200. It's good and wooden.
Yep.
I like it. Yeah, that's cute.
Zigzag.
That's kind of what would be sold.
Yep.
Well, that's really cute. You just gotta have the space to put it there.
Yep. Move back.
We're going downstairs, sir.
No, look.
I don't like that. Doors are played out. I don't want no door. Yeah, but they still gonna be sticking out. I don't like that.
Come on.
Ooh.
Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh,
Look at that. This rug is cute and different.
Oh, look at
That's
the table.
really cute.
Look at the table.
The table is cute.
And look at the bowl.
You've been
Hey, look at the chair.
you're being extra.
Hey, you gotta get all this in.
This is a cute lamp.
Look at the divider. Wicker.
Hey, you was looking for one of these.
But not like this.
I know you don't want it wickered.
I want to see things.
It's $550.
Look at ropes. They sell ropes too?
Yeah.
This Crate & Barrel does not sell house ropes.
Yes, they do.
Well, I guess you're in luck. Got a hood on.
Yeah, but I don't like the material. It's not plush.
Look at the headboard. It's weird.
What? That's what I was looking at.
Ew.
For our new, you don't like it curved like that? Look at this desk.
Oh, They got a whole.
I like it. It's so different.
They got a whole little water tank.
Hold on.
Called the Elky.
Oh, that's part of this line.
That's the Elky.
Yeah, I believe so. Very test desk. Oh no, that's the chair. Oh no, this is called strut. I would love to have windows like this. This is all I want. Is big windows, Darnell. Well look, if my plant don't make it, crate and barrel, I'm coming for this little dusty leaf plant. Brown tree. This is cute. I use that year round. That's cute. You like that table?
See, they had to put the jibs in there. See, I watch how they make this on YouTube. The jibs, so they can put two pieces of wood together.
Cute.
Yep, it's called jibbers.
Hey! Ooh, I like this.
Wood, man.
No, it's not wood. It smells like cranberry. Balsam cedar or white winter. Smell the difference.
And one comes in the gold thing, and one comes in silver.
I know. I like both of them. Smell. Which one is better?
Yeah, they're just a slight difference, but they both smell wonderful.
Let's smell this. Yes, I love this. This is pretty.
I just act like I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, they sound pretty good.
These are cute. Man, my house is gonna be full of all this kind of cute stuff. No, I like down here. Upstairs is, we don't have a house here, so I don't care.
This is a jazzy set right here. The little cartoons they be having a little weird shape somewhere.
Look at those. Hammer. You can use this for daily, every day. I wouldn't want that in the texture every day on my hand. Look at those. Those are nice and strong.
Use all of these. I like those. Modern sets.
But that's what I bought from World Market. You said
Don't break it.
look at it. It's so pretty.
Another mirror.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Here's the square mirror.
Square mirror.
Rectangle one.
Ooh, this is cute too. I like this thing. I really want this thing. It's like $200, $300. It's cheap. Ooh. This is cute. That is for a big mirror like that. A statement mirror.
A statement mirror.
Yeah. Look, so many good gifts, you guys. If people are into, oh yo, I want me one glass. Oh, this is.
You can like, but you can
No
button
matter,
this to your shirt.
no matter what store you're in, you're gonna find a stuffed animal or a toy to play with, huh? No matter what store, huh?
Well, I gotta entertain myself somehow.
Look at this. I think my
That's how your hair used to look.
girl.
You dyed it.
That was rude.
And you had the same lashes on too.
No, I'm not playing with you. That's how I used to look.
Yeah, with your lashes, the mink, and what they call them.
No, really.
And your glitter pack, and the glitter
So this is just me right here.
all day.
I'm not playing with you. That was so rude. Good gift ideas. You can give somebody some wine glasses with them. This is super cute. It's 80 bucks. And then they have other ones over here. Look at this toaster. What's this though?
So you can see the bread when it's cooking.
Oh, I never saw such a thing, man. We didn't have to park 12 miles today because there wasn't no many people in this. Hey you guys, we are officially done. It was so much fun. It's so festive out here.
Some Italian food tonight.
Hey you guys, we are officially done. I had so much fun. I grabbed just a few goodies. Again, we are still in temporary housing, so we have to pack this stuff up and move it on down to Florida. But I did pick up a few things right now. So I'll share with you guys when we get to the house. Alright, you guys, before I end the vlog, let me go ahead and show the little few things that I got. Okay, I just love the shape of this. So I'm going to see how it do. So I only brought one so I can just have my little personal one in it. Finally got, what is it called? A wick trimmer. So I can stop using regular scissors and cut my candles. And speaking of candles, when we came down the escalator, I just smelled some beautifulness. So I am trying winter white. Box is just awesome. Look at that. Oh goodness. At first I had the silver one, which was like fresh balsam, but when I saw the limit is so limited on the quantity, so I switched it. And look, I can use my cutter. So I'll let you guys know how this candle burns.